Hi, how you doing? In this video, I will show you how you can easily turn any character into 3D model in just 5 steps. But before that, you should know the basics first, like all of the geometry nodes, physics, or I'm just kidding. If you know how to add a cube, that's get the job done. Or if you don't know, by pressing Shift A, mesh, cube. Congratulations! You now approved! So let's begin. First of all, you have to draw your sketch or choose one from Pinterest. I have my own sketch and a video of how I draw it. If you want, you can see it here. Step 1! Blackout. In step 1, make your character from cubes and subdivision modifier. Or simply modeling your character with basic meshes. Do not add the details yet. You should focus on shape of your character. Step 2! Joining. Go to Modifiers tab and apply all modifiers. Wait, first make a backup. Copy all and send them into another collection. And hide it. Or save this project separately. Now when you applied all modifiers, select all your meshes and join them in one. It's good to join them in a different parts like hand, head, body, leg. You got the point. Step 3! Sculpting. This part is a bit trickier. If it's your first time in a sculpting tab, I have some suggestions for you. 1. Be patient. Sculpting takes time, so don't rush to it. 2. Enjoy the process. Okay, sometimes it's annoying, but somehow it's like meditation too. 3. Don't go too crazy with brushes. For starting, you just need these 3 brushes: draw, clay, and polish it. By holding Ctrl, you can turn on subtract effect of your brush, and by holding Shift, you can turn any brush into polisher brush. So let's start the sculpting. Up here in the sculpting tab, first you have to remesh the part you want to sculpt. Lower the number, more faces to work with. Higher number, less faces to work with. I suggest you to start with low faces and little by little add more. First thing to do is polishing and then adding details. Do this for all parts.
You never get it, them chopping waters. The sailing from here is smooth and clear. You have no fear, it don't get no harder. You think to yourself, where you've been, there's no more hell for you. What a fool.
Step 4. Details. In this step, add the details that left behind. For me now, it's just sword, nails, and chain. Step 5. Textures and materials. For this part, you have 3 ways to go. Number 1. Downloading textures and applying it to your model. Number 2. Drawing your own texture by going to texture paint, adding a texture, and painting it. Number 3. Using material notes by going to shading tab and then start adjusting the materials. I'm going with number 3 because of cartoonish look that I want.
Innocence and honesty keep signaling my brilliance. Living in this harmony, it's hard to see the change. Ignorance and poverty, we're sinking in resilience. Adrenaline, my arteries are masking all the pain. I symbolize the vigilance, we need to rise above it. It makes it hard to breathe when we're living in the flames. So make rhythms and we influence the youngers. It's like we plant the seed and watch them grow into the names. Thoughts of wandering away with me today, fading into grey. Say that it's okay. Painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate. No fear, I test my
And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the character is done!
Life just taught me that relationships is complicated. Get my before my heart, at least I'm honest, baby. Stuck in trauma, I got scars because my mama, baby. So tired, you been looking for your father lately. And all these shawties telling niggas get their money.
Hope you enjoy it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.